Grabe po kayo, syempre. Pops, sa royalty coach ko yan. Sarah Heroin.
Darren, ikaw ang nag-coach sa akin sa The Voice Kids.
Maraming salamat po. Of course, Ate Sarah, thank you so much for making this dream collaboration come through. And maraming salamat po syempre for, you know, all the tips and everything you've taught me.
Wala yun!
Opo, share ko lang po, of course, when I invited Coach Sarah to be part of my 10th anniversary, talagang nag-yes po talaga siya agad. And it means so much to me.
Kundi pala yung towel mo.
Ha? Thank you po.
Ano po? Hi, Sir Sok!
Thank you po. Thank you po.
I just want to say, Darren, nahihiya man ako magsalita. Pero, Darren, mahal na mahal ka namin. We all know how amazing you are as an artist, as a vocalist. You are amazing. Pero, what made me love you so much more is your heart. Grabe yung puso mo, Darren. Every time I would see you, napaka-genuine ng happiness lang. Every time na nakikita tayo, sobra akong bilib na bilib sa'yo, sa humility mo, Darren. Mahal na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ka namin. At alam kong maraming dekada pa ang tatagal mo dito sa industriya. If you remain humble, despite your greatness.
Thank you po.
I love you.
I love you too. Maraming salamat, Coach. Thank you po. I love you so much po. Thank you po. Grabe. Thank you. Give it up once again for Sarah Geronimo. Wow. Who would have